My name is Savannah and welcome to Savvy's Creativity Corner. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And so today we're going to be opening Polly Pocket Sand Secrets. And if you don't know where I got this, check out some other videos down below. And I've seen other people open these, so it's pretty easy to tell what's inside. And let me start opening now the plastic. I have to take it out. Ugh, there we go. Now you just get this packaging off. There we go, all the packaging is off. And now you have to keep this. Have to keep this. Have to. Oh, it's a little penguin scene. That's adorable. Aw, cute. Now, I bet this... Now, here... Where is... Ugh. There we go. I finally poked a hole in there. And here we go. Whoa, that was weird. Aw, it's cute. This girl is very unusual. Look. Really unusual. Now, time for the kinetic sand. Whoa! Now that's a lot of sand. Now, you get the scene, then put the little thing on, and then you put the sand on. Make sure you have an even layer, because you don't want to forget any sand, but you can forget a tiny bit of sand. Here we go. And now it's all sealed and ready to go. And now I'm just going to stick this inside, but it has a snowflake on the bottom, so it actually prints a snowflake. Now, I just have to make a big hole for it, then stamp it inside. And then you put the girl or whatever you get inside. And, ooh, I got a little polar bear too. So I guess you add the polar bear, but not all the sets come with a polar bear. Cool. Now, there's a little bit of misunderstandings I've had with this set. Now, here we go. It's supposed to fit everything inside, but right now it's really hard. Cool. Now, it might end up kind of cool like that. And so, now, close the lid. And there you go. You have your little sand secrets. And let's look at the collector's guide or whatever this is. Oh yeah, it's the collector's guide, so let me look. So here's all the ones you could collect. Now, that's all for today.